Hey NYPs, how's everybody doing today? Are you guys ready for more decision makers or breakers? Well, in today's episode, we're going to talk about the Federal Reserve and the interest rate hikes and what that means to cryptocurrency, and also Mark Cuban's thoughts on cryptocurrency, all under 10 minutes. For the first piece of information, Barron's Web newsletter released that cryptocurrency has hit its all-time low since July 2021, and it's been matching a lot with Wall Street stock market, specifically correlated to the risk assets, specifically in the technology division. Why is this? Because the Federal Reserve has been spiking up the interest rates to combat with the inflation that we have going on now in 2022. Which soon will cause recession. So everybody's waiting for that, and that's why you see a lot of the technology, the risk assets, and cryptocurrency all plummeting down, and people are selling because of the fear that the recession is coming soon. And the COVID-19 lockdowns in China aren't helping either, and those are triggering global chain shortages everywhere around the world, which is even furthering inflation to spike up even more. If the CPI grows even more than what investors are expecting, then you will for sure see more increases. I can't even believe it. Gas is already high. Going to the grocery store is super high already. It's going to increase inflation even more if the CPI is found to be larger than what is expected. And you can only imagine the sell-off continues off of the cryptocurrency if this is found, and especially for all the risk assets, not just cryptocurrency in general. So the second piece of information, a little bit lighter than the first piece of information. First piece of information was a little bit more on the negative side, but nothing is negative if you're holding for the long term. So keep on hodling, you guys. So if you guys remember, Mark Cuban built his wealth on the rise of the dot-com era by building and selling Micro Solutions, which is one of his companies. Second company he sold was a broadcast.com, which was acquired by Yahoo. He invested when nobody knew about the internet, when nobody was really investing, but doing some research, he started investing in it while things were kind of low. And then when it started getting popularized, that's when everybody was putting in their money, and so his wealth built up. So he's saying that he's seeing the same patterns with cryptocurrency, where cryptocurrency, everybody's fearing right now. Nobody knows what cryptocurrency is, especially the middle class and the lower class that don't have enough money to invest in risky assets as such. And so nobody's putting in any money in there. And right now, the bigger companies, they're the ones that are taking advantage because they have the money to get themselves into riskier assets, and they're pouring in money right now because it's at its all-time low. So they're taking advantage of that now. But once that kid gets popular, aka cryptocurrency, everybody's going to start getting onto that bandwagon because everybody wants to join the popular kid in the school. And so that's when it's going to be the rise of the cryptocurrency. That's why you want to be Mark Cuban during the dot-com era and invest early in cryptocurrency before it gets popular. They say that when everybody's fearful, that's when you should invest. But when it's already at its all-time high, you should be fearful.